Ooh, guys, hi. I'm trying to smile. It's day 10. Are you guys having fun? Oh my God, it's day 10 and it's coming to an end. Well, 2 more days to go after this though. But today is all about getting cozy, grabbing your favorite book and cozying up around the fire with a cup of your favorite whatever and enjoying these two items. They are very special. First, I know that you are picking this beautiful soft knit Ruana with a hood that comes in 3 fantastic colors. They're one size, my size, Olympia's size, Tori size. Tori took a little twist on hers and belted it. It is just absolutely gorgeous. We love this. It's so soft and supple. And today, our hooded Ruana is regular $69. It's $35. And you are going to love it. And any gift recipient will love it. And I'm featuring an artist today. My friend, probably your friend too, everybody knows Takara. Well, Takara created back in the spring these most delicious, borrowing her word, bookmarks that are symbolic of the Crown Act. Do you guys know what the Crown Act was? Well, anyway, it was an act that stands for Create a Respectful and Open Workplace for Natural Hair, meaning corporate America could no longer discriminate against women for the way they wear their hair. There are 8 bookmarks. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's Takara. 5, 6, my favorite, 7, and then 8. 8 bookmarks. She regularly sells them for $28. Well, I had them $28. Today only you get them all 8 in a set for $20. Perfect if you're in book clubs. Perfect if you're a reader. Everybody has Michelle Obama's Beyond book, right? I have one stuck in my book right now because I haven't finished reading it. Perfect for your Bible. So pick these up, please. Regular $28, $20. The Ruana regular $69, $35. Unbelievable. 3 great colors: gray, the rust, and the blue. Thank you. See you tomorrow for day 11.